You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 8. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 21/4 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is y equals 8.